coming. Get inside. Come on. Where do you want to go?
I want to go outside and play bubble run. Rain cheese!
You can take your bubble gun now. But don't pull the trigger now, okay?
Okay.
I will open the door.
We should pull the trigger. Pull the trigger now?
What?
Can we pull the trigger now?
Now you can pull the trigger.
Let me go out. Put an umbrella, Daddy.
You have your raining coat. You don't need an umbrella. Don't get too far away, okay? It's heavy rain.
No, it's no more rain. No.
Okay, no more.
No more rain, no more rain. I want to go outside.
Don't go too far.
I want to go stop and jump down. Stop up there.
Okay, stop there. Don't go too far away.
I'm not going to do far
Come
away.
inside. Dangerous. Get back.
Follow me, Daddy. Follow me. Rain cheese.
Jump.
Rain cheese.
You like the rain?
Yes. I love the rain. I like the rain.
Okay, get inside. Get inside. It's safe. It's safe here.
Home cheese. Go home cheese. Wind and rain cheese. A big bubble. A big bubble. Big bubble. A bubble. It's wearing. The bubble gun is wearing off. Wearing off. It's wearing off.
Okay. Not working. I know it's not working. The bubble gun running out of battery.
Gun cheese.
Bubble gun cheese.
There's a bubble. There's more bubble in there. I love the rain. I want to see it lightning.
Tell me, did you have fun there?
Have fun and go home, cheese.
Yes.
Bubblegum cheese.
Lightning cheese.
Lightning cheese. Thunder cheese. Elevator cheese.